Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to restore your Android mobile in case of forget your password, and if you forgot your backup password, and now I forgot my backup password and my fingerprint did not work well. And here you can see okay. Unable to recognize your fingerprint, enter your backup password to unlock this device. And I forgot my backup password. Here I have to restore my mobile to break up the password. With this, what should we do? Press the home button, lock button, and volume up. Press all of them on one time like this. First of all, turn off the device like this. It's turned off. Volume up, power button, and home button. Press all of them in one time like this. It will be like this. Save and release it. And put it for a while, and this option will appear for you, and volume up will go up and volume down, down volume will go downside, and volume down, press the volume down on the wipe data factory reset, and the home button will work okay. Here you can see use the volume up and down and power. The volume up and down will go up and down, and the OK button will be the power button. I select the wipe data factories reset and press the lock button in case of OK. Here is yes or no. Press on yes, and home button will be OK. Wait for a while, and now I have to reboot the system, and press the lock button like this, and wait for a while. Your Android mobile will be start from the first. So like this you can restore your mobile within 2 or 3 minutes. Here you go. I select the language, go forward, use any Wi-Fi that you want to connect on. Next, term and condition. I agree the term of the end user license agreement. Agree. Now select the country, time. Select your name, first name, last name. Write my name on it. Okay, then next, more, and next. Create account, sign in, if you have your Google account, you can sign in, or you want to create a new Google account, you can create an account from the first one. Okay, I want to I skip these all options. These are the functions that Android mobile have. Go back, click on the later fingerprint as well. Easy mode, do not use this at easy mode. This easy mode is so boring, so do not turn it off. Next, finish now. Here you go, guys, it's all done. So like this. Thank you guys for watching. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe. Okay, bye bye for now.